What's going on, guys? Hello again and welcome to the next video for Amazon Selling Hustle. In this video, we're going to talk about Module 4, Private Label, Sourcing, Negotiating, and Shipping. Let's go. So step 1, check out different sourcing sites. I primarily use Alibaba.com, and I think a lot of people do. My other favorites include globalsources.com because it has a trade show feeling to it and has that aspect, and it's a great site. Made-in-China.com compares a lot to Alibaba, so I do a lot of competitive shopping between the two. Want to get the best price. dhgate.com is fantastic for doing online arbitrage. Whether you want to order big quantity or smaller quantity, they offer things like free shipping. Features like that are great. Other sites I also like, thomasnet.com is US based, lazada.com Philippine based. Step 2, sign up for an account with the sourcing site. Use their media center to talk with the salespeople. Step 3, search for your product using top keywords. Step 4, sort match criteria to reduce risk. By supplier types, I like to check the trade assurance box and check the gold supplier box. I don't always check the assess supplier box, that's optional. Look at the search results total. If it's around 5,000, let's say, and then you check the assessed supplier box and it jumps down to 200, you're losing about 80% of your options. So toggle between the two. Step 5, review the suppliers and look at the years they've been a vendor, transactions numbers in the last 6 months, and how much they've sold. Look at the price they're advertising for the product you're looking to have made for you. Look at the minimum order quantity that they want. Step 6, send a message to various suppliers. Step 7, use the template provided in the resource center, paste it, edit it, and send it. Step 8, track the suppliers you contact using the tracking sheet provided in this resource center. Step 9, repeat this step for 10 to 20 suppliers. The more you contact, the better it will be when you go to negotiate price. Step 10, we will also submit an RFQ. An RFQ is a request for quotations. It's like putting an ad up. Vendors on the sourcing sites will get back to you. Step 11, good etiquette is to read and respond to all the messages you send. If you like a quote, negotiate. Use negotiation template number 1. If you don't like a quote, negotiate. Use negotiation template number 2. These templates can be found in the resource center. Step 12, ask a supplier questions such as warranty, quality control, samples. Step 13, thank all the suppliers for their time. Step 14, pick the best overall supplier. Step 15, ensure eligibility to sell. Make sure you go to your Amazon, check that you can sell the product and list the product, create a listing. Once you know you can sell it and there's no restrictions. Step 16, place your order. Put 30% down now, the rest when they're done. Step 17, use PayPal or trade assurance to pay because of the protection that they offer. Step 18, request box totals and dimensions and weights for your Amazon account. Step 19, create a shipping plan on your Amazon account. Step 20, supply your supplier with shipping labels. Step 21, request a tracking number and track your shipment. Step 22, keep an excellent relationship with your salesperson and make a friend, because you're going to do business long term with these different suppliers that you meet. Step 23, request their catalog, because there may be some great things you can bundle with your product next time. Step 24, do business again and reorder more inventory. All right, guys, we will see you in the next video.